The rumor around school is that the texting monster has been showing up at the school again. He hides in the school parking lot waiting to stop the students who are texting and driving. No one can hide from him, and no one is safe from him!
Get out of here!
Get up!
Help! Please! Somebody! Help! There's a fire! We are doomed. Nuh-uh. Look, seatbelt man! Help us! Help me! Now! Ah! No!
See you at the game, guys.
Yeah, see you, man. Where's Aaron? Dude, I think he might have forgotten to buckle up.
Where? It's just one word, just one simple question, and it changed my life forever. I was texting and driving, and I got into a car crash. I wasn't hurt, but somebody else was. I made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. But this one I can't forget, because in the blink of an eye, everything can change.
There we go.
What the?
Getting your driver's license is a big responsibility. You get to go wherever you want, and hanging out with your friends becomes easy. But remember to wear your seatbelt. Because no place is worth going if you're risking your life. Drive safe and buckle up.